Greetings. Prime Minister announced yesterday that he intends to double the tourism industry from 4 million visitors to 8 million visitors. I think he's listening to me after all. I asked for a tripling, not doubling, but you know what? I'll take doubling. Thanks, Prime Minister. God bless you. Greetings, Jamaicans and my fellow diasporas and all who loved Jamaica and the Jamaican people. Today's topic is my visions of how the issues in Jamaica can be resolved. Now, in 2017, I had a vision where I saw some people having fun at their various homes, playing outside on their swings, running around in their yards like we used to do as children. The people were having fun, real good country life type of a living. Then suddenly, one by one, the people just got up and start taking boats to leave their country and to go abroad. I think about the vision, then I made a post which I shared in a couple of my Facebook church groups. After I got the vision, I then realized that people should try to make the best of the country that they live in instead of uprooting and going abroad. However, it is the government's responsibility to develop fiscal policies to help the people in their country. In another vision, about 6 months apart, I saw my siblings and myself standing on the edges of Jamaica, just like I'm looking down at the map of Jamaica. We were holding each other's hands while we prayed for Jamaica. Our hands were stretched out across Jamaica as we were praying. It is like some of us were standing on the south coast and some of us were standing on the north coast, holding each other's hands across Jamaica while we were praying. However, the succeeding governments in Jamaica are at fault here. One government after the other are just taking the people for a ride in Jamaica. Then, when it's near to a general election, they give the people handouts and make promises to them. Both political parties are guilty of this. Hence, I'm not taking sides here. My YouTube channel is only interested in taking the sides of the Jamaican people, especially those who are less fortunate. Since I've started making my YouTube videos 9 months ago, in March 2023, about the issues in Jamaica with the crimes, poverty, and hopelessness, more importantly, how the situation can be solved without much cost to the Jamaican government. I've so far made about 90 videos which can be viewed on my YouTube channel. And you can also subscribe to get updates. Now, since I started posting my videos, I've seen the government making various announcements in line with the things that I'm requesting. To God be the glory. As I said in my earlier videos, I have no idea as to whether the government is listening to me or not. But as long as they are adopting some of my ideas, that's good enough for me. God does work in mysterious ways indeed. The latest policy that the government has announced in line with my request was yesterday. I heard the Prime Minister announce that his government is contemplating doubling the tourism industry from 4 million visitors to 8 million visitors. This is a brand new policy for the government. It appears that this government has never put a target on tourism numbers before. Hence, in the last 7 years, tourism numbers has actually fallen from 4.28 million visitors at the end of 2017 to 4.13 million visitors at the end of this year, 2023. 150,000 less visitors visiting Jamaica in the past 7 years. That is a total failure of our current Minister of Tourism, I must say. I like the man, but he's a failure. Anyways, one of the key policy that my channel has been hammering home from the start is to triple the tourism industry across Jamaica. That's from 4 million to at least 12 million. Then use the tourism industry to employ 300,000 Jamaicans so that they can have permanent full-time jobs. If the government allow any more franchises for large inclusive hotels in tourism hotspots like Montego Bay, then they would need to import migrant workers from abroad to fill those posts. People should not be expected to leave their families and homes in places like St. Elizabeth, Manchester, and Westmoreland to go and work in a hotel in Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, etc. The government needs to offer the franchises for the large inclusive hotels where people need those low-paid, permanent, full-time jobs. I will leave with a Bible verse, Isaiah 2, verse 1 to 5. I'm going to read from the Messenger version. It says, He'll make things right between many peoples. They'll turn their swords into shovels and their spears into hoes. That means put down the guns and the crimes in Jamaica and put your hands to good work. That's a paraphrase for the Jamaican condition. Now, thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.